In order to create the 3D mesh, I first fixed my point cloud from the previous homework. So my point cloud, some of the sides had bulges in them, so in order to fix that, in the Python code where the Y output is being written, I subtracted out these values, and this fixed angle and bulge constant I got from looking at the original point clouds and kind of guessing and checking with different points on the point cloud to see what angle and what constant I would need in order to make it line up with the Y value that was at the 0 angle. So after fixing that for all of the sides, I replotted it in MATLAB and fixed the transformations and the filtering. So here is the new point cloud. As you can see, all the sides are a lot straighter. You can tell it's more of like a rectangular box now. Yeah, so in order to output this into a text file for the MeshLab view to use, I took each of the point clouds and put them into matrices and then combined those into one big matrix. And then I went through the total matrix line by line and printed each line, each XYZ coordinate basically, into this file that I named cloud_total. So, and now going into the MeshLab, here's the cloud, and the values that I changed for this were these normal 4-point sets. So I made this 1 for my point cloud, and then for the, not this one. Yeah, so here's what my mesh turned out to be when I made the Poisson surface. Where's that? Poisson surface to be 15, 5, and 4. So those are the values that I used to get this mesh. It's definitely not perfect. As you can see, there's like some empty space here and like some empty space here, and of course it's not completely smooth, it's pretty bumpy, but overall it is pretty rectangular. I did have to cut off some extra faces that were on the sides with the select faces and delete tool, but in the end it turned out okay. I think a lot of the things that aren't quite right can be attributed to my my point cloud not being super great, because there were some sides in the point cloud that were very less populated. So this area was probably really sparse in the original point cloud. But overall, after messing with the values and everything, it kind of looks like a rectangular box, which is what a parking meter is.